I'm just going to finish tearing down the VQ. Basically the timing components, heads, cams. Probably leave the short block together for now. My plan is to kind of try to reuse the timing components, mainly just because my goal for this build was to keep it under 1,000. And that's going to be the easiest way to do it. And honestly, it really doesn't look like it's in that bad a shape. Overall, it looks pretty healthy. Just gotta see what these head gaskets look like, and I'm gonna check some of the rod bearings, make sure they're okay. If they got some wear, I might replace those. But I really don't care too much for the VQ. My main reason for even trying to fix this engine is just to see if I could see what I could get for $1,000. And if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. I'll just end up swapping the car.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now, trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Let's go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Let's go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Go a little crazy.
off the engine. I went up and printed off a torque sequence sheet for the VQ. I'm in no means an expert. I've honestly don't claim to be an expert. I've put a few head gaskets on a couple Toyota trucks. I've done an SR20. I've done timing gears and stuff in my Mustang, but as far as tearing down a V6 and putting it back together, I've never done it. I figured it wouldn't be bad to try on a $300 car, so we'll see where it goes. So I got to looking at the bearings, really just to check, and they got a little heat on them. Let's see if I get it to focus. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pull the bottom end apart and go ahead and replace the bearings and the piston rings while I'm at it. my original plan for this was to, you know, keep it under 1,000. Obviously, if I'm gonna have to go through the whole motor, that's not gonna happen. But basically, here's cylinder 1 bearing. Here's number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And number 6. So, number 6 definitely I think looks the worst. Crank actually looks okay. So I believe it's definitely rebuildable. I just don't know if I want to actually spend the money to rebuild it, grab another motor that I know is good, or just go ahead and start piecing stuff together for a swap.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel